Afternoon, everyone. It is Thursday, June 26th, here at KIT Iizuka. This is third period for English 2C. Let's see here. We don't have too much to do. There's actually, you're lucky because there's no reflection this week. I don't know why, but maybe I made a mistake and I forgot to put in a reflection for week 11. But in any case, lucky you, there's no reflection. There is, however, a few things. We're going to start today working with Quizlet. So if you want to see what the study set will look like here, it's over here, WIJ7B. This is the second to last set. Don't forget, all of these words will be on the final test, so don't forget to study them. This one is actually very small. There's only 11 words, so this should be pretty easy to remember. Okay, so we'll start with Quizlet. The homework answers from last week are available. This also will be on the final test, so don't forget to download these and study them. You have two things that you have to do this week. One is the topic sentences quiz and the reading quiz. Now, both of these, if you look here, both of these are due on, July 6th. Okay, so 3 days after next week's class. Don't have that much time, but it's enough time to take the test, take the quiz 3 times. Do your best, and Moodle will record your best answer. Okay, also wanted to remind you that after today, there's only July 3rd and July 10th, and then after that, here we are, it's time for the test. The first test will be on July 17th, okay? This will be a Moodle test, and then the next time we meet, that will be July 31st, that will be the conversation test. Try to explain more about the conversation test as we go. Now, for that conversation test, next week is very important because next week, I want you to choose your partner names and student numbers. I'll explain what that's all about, but next week is very important because we have to do this. And if you're not here next week, that makes this rather difficult. So please make sure that you come. Otherwise, please remember, you can contact me on email at any time, jdmcruz@gmail.com, or come talk to me here before or after class. Okay, so good luck with today's class, everyone.